Please sit down.
ผม
I want to get the key.
ครับ
Sure, but you have to do this exam first. Exam tang ina.
ได้ค
Okay.
รับ
It's easy. Do it and get rewards.
Sinagot siya is number 1.
Putang ina, Mat. Yawa. Hala. Hindi, feel ko talaga demo. Okay lang yan. Char. Hindi, ikaw yung makakarry sa amin. Please carry us. Sana, medyo buggy kasi itong game. Sana hindi magbabug. Guys, no reaction gameplay. Char. Oh my God. Mga 1 hour siguro ito, guys. Warning. This game contains jump scare and flashlight effects. Play with caution.
พรุ่งนี้มีงานกีฬาสีแล้วสินะเนี่ยใช่วันนี้ก็ได้อยู่ช่วยงานโรงเรียนจนเย็นเลยนะเนี่ย
Uy!
ขอบคุณมากค่ะนักเรียนที่มาช่วยงานครูกลับก่อนนะคะ นักเรียนก็ควรกลับได้แล้วค่ะจะ6 โมงแล้ว
Sige, ma'am. Scary mo naman ng mukha. Ba't ganyan mukha mo? Char. Guys, ihi muna ako. Baka matakot ako umihi later. Wait.
เฮ้ยลืมแท็บเล็ตไว้บนห้องนี่หว่าต้อง
Are
รีบ
you
ขึ้นไปเอา
ready,
ก่อน
boy?
กลับบ้านแล้ว
Ready, boy?
Tara na.
สวัสดีครับ
Speedrun, bro.
The tablet
Speedrun.
is from the third floor.
อะไรวะเนี่ย
ทำไมยังไม่กลับบ้านคะนักเรียน
ทำไมยังไม่กลับบ้านนักเรียน
เรื่องอะไรกันวะเนี่ย
You here?
Very scary.
แล้วนี่มันกระดาษอะไรเนี่ย
Huh?
Wait, parang ano lang to yung nilaro natin nung dati.
Sorry, guys. Hi.
Maris
Nag-ihi lang ako.
Japanese. Ay, dito ba?
Dito ba yun? Sino namatay? Tangina.
Yo, si Yuki, ano ba yan? Yuki Asan, ano ba yan? Yuki, comics lang naman po yan.
Third floor pala to. Sa second floor yung office.
Let's go.
Ah, nandito yung isa.
Tara, baba.
Oo nga, ito nga.
Yung isa dito. Oh my God! Talaga. Ay, dito ba yun? Ah. Sino namatay?
Balik.
Nandito, ano to?
Nakuha niyo na ang hair?
Ay, hindi ko nakuha.
Patay, ano kayo ngayon?
Pusin.
Gago. Ang bilis niya. Ang bilis. Oh, shit.
Very.
Please ka niya, yo. Nabigla ako sa una.
Sige. Uy! Gago! Demo ko na siya. Nandun siya, oh.
Sige, labas
Putang
kayo.
ina mo talaga.
Sige, labas kayo.
Ayoko na lumabas pag si Demo yung nasa loob.
Joke lang.
Nagsasarado. Ayun.
Joke lang, joke.
Sige.
Matay.
Nandito yung isa. Ay, hindi. Wala. Walang hair dito, guys. Narinig nyo yan? Yung parang...
Kanina habol ako.
Diyan sa labas.
Hindi siya labas.
Ang bilis niya.
YOLO. YOLO na lang.
Sige.
Joke. Putang ina bahala. Putang ina talaga. Putang ina talaga.
Sige, labas ka na.
Gago. Sa likod pala, hindi ko nakita eh.
Labas ka na.
Ay, ang bilis.
Ang bilis niya nga.
Labas ka na. Ano ka ngayon, boy? Kailangan natin ng isang sacrifice. Dito ka.
Sige ako. Ay, ag na. Huwag nyo i-close para makita niya tayo na hindi siya makakapasok.
So... Wait lang. Huwag yung pinapapunta
Lagi,
dyan.
isang silip mo lang talagang lilipat na siya.
Sige, doon ka. Diyan ka, tapos mag-YOLO ako ha. Diyan ka muna. Doon ka. Tapos lalabas ako, mag-run ako. Doon ka sa other room. Takbobo!
Gago, why am I stuck down?
Asan yung iba? Dito ba yun? Dito is somewhere.
Ewan ko rin. Nasa baba siya, bro.
Diyan naman siya.
Saan kayo? Video. Anong video? Hindi ko kasi alam saan siya. Oh. Sino ba yung namatay?
Pero yung isang hair nasa taas eh. Third floor.
What na, guys?
Titak mo ka nun. Hanapin mo yung ano. Please.
Asan yung isang hair? Naririnig ko. Sa second floor ba? Ay, dito. Wait. Hi, Deadly. Sana all. Oo. Ay, wait lang. It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Hindi mo na mag-backseat. Hindi mo na mag-backseat. Sa baba ng stairs.
Sir, ano ba tayo? Tara!
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Naririnig ko siya.
Yolo.
Dito, oh. Dito, Treb. Dito, Treb. Diyan. Nice. Let's go.
ทำอะไรอยู่คะ
What are you doing? Oh, shit. Patay tayo, guys.
Ba?
ยังตายแล้วไม่ใช่
He's gone.
Yeah, she's gone. Maybe. She's maybe gone.
Patay na siya, yes.
Patay na siya. Di ma, isa pa. Ay,
Wala kasi naman.
patay.
Ikaw lumipad.
Hindi ko kaya magsigaw, guys. Hindi ko kaya magsigaw kasi, ano. Uy. Dito. Don't walk on the grass. Kayo ba?
Ano ba yan?
Walk on the grass, I don't care.
Thank you,
Bayad naman
Ichi.
kami ng tuition fee, okay lang yan.
Noong, ang bongga ng school nila.
Sana all ganito.
Kulit ng ending niyan. Bakit? Ano, gago. Ba't wala akong ulo?
เชียวเจอครูสมรศรีละสิ
Ba't wala
ท่า
akong ulo?
คุณรู้ว่าอะไร
What do you know? Can you tell me about it?
ได้ไหมครับ
ครูเขาเสียไปเป็น 20 ปีแล้ว แกเสียในห้องพักครูชั้นหนึ่ง เห็นว่าโดนทำของมนต์ดำใส่จนตาย เพราะไปลบหลู่หมอผี
เวลา 18 นาฬิกา
Sana nga. Oh my God. Feel ko hindi na ako makakatulog, guys.
ชอบมีคนเห็นแกตอนช่วงโพลเพลย์แบบนี้
เปิดประตู
Gagi Paradise
หรือ
Egg
เปล่าครับ
กุญแจรั้วฉันเอาไว้ในห้อง
Meron
ของฉัน
Paradise Egg.
In the bathroom?
ไปเอากุญแจมาเปิดเอง
Go get the key and open it yourself. Putang inang guard to.
ทำไมคุณถึงไม่
Walang silbi na guard.
ฉันไม่อยากเข้าไปตึกพยอมทองตอนเวลานี้หรอก
I don't want to go to the pageant for long.
Kaya nga.
ก็ได้
For long.
โชคดีล่ะ
Chongming lang.
Gusto ko tayo mamatay eh.
Ayaw niyang gustong mamatay.
Ang mag-virtual niya tayo samahan.
Saan? Saan dadan?
Just mag-stay na lang ako.
Ito, oh. Ma-interact yun. Ma-interact pala. Ito, ma-interact.
Kayo na lang gumawa.
Hindi.
Ano, maging
Ito, mag-elevator tayo, guys. Ayaw.
Kahit na. Okay na kayo.
Pwede paki, oh. Akit na kayo. Ay. Ikaw muna.
Ladies first.
Ladies first ang puta.
Yeah.
Yawa. Asa si Yuki?
Gentleman ka rin, bro.
Ang layo niya. Ang layo niya.
Saan siya?
Putang ina.
Dito, gagi.
Dito.
Ladies first, okay na.
Sige.
Walang elevator. Ano ba naman
Wala nga. Hindi. Ano yun. Go, Trev. Go, Trev.
Third floor lang daw, sumobra kayo.
Sumobra ba? Ay.
Fifth floor.
Oo. Third floor. Yung ano, mali ako.
Di ako marunong magbasa ng ganyan.
I'll be going to another province when I return. I'll bring back the letter. I will bring the letter.
I don't speak
I don't
Moses.
care.
Putang ina. Oh no! Wag espresso. Sure. It's okay. I love the dance practice room with Mr. Witt in the science building. Ang dami namang gawin. Pwede dito.
Ano namin mababasa yan? Tangin na.
Baka balik tayo.
Ano ba yan?
Putang ina, balik.
Baba, baba guys.
Balik tayo sa kabilang building. Hi, Megatron. May Megatron. Yes, you are espresso.
Nahabol tayo. Baka na kayo.
Ah,
Nahabol tayo.
Elevator.
hinahabol. Patay, tangina.
Nahabol tayo.
Wala naman. Fake news.
Pampatakot.
Di na ba pwede i-close? Ano ba yun?
Sige, dito na lang ako. Hintayin ko na lang kayo. Dito ako. Kaya niya yan.
Ayun na, kami yung trap.
Sige, Trev.
Salamat.
Uy, kayo ba? Ano ako guys, para pang content. Sali ako para pang content. Wait lang, Trev.
Dito pala.
Diyan ba?
Oh, may tao sa taas.
Oh my God.
พี่เบสทีเล่นบ้าจนหัวใจวายนี่ไม่
Really had a heart attack, bobo.
Hindi ako natagpag dito.
Yan naman, nakapunta na.
That's what. Yeah, so what do you want to What? Do you want to stay with me? Sorry. Hindi ako pwede mag-voice actor. Uy, kayo dapat mag-voice actor pag lalaki.
Ba't dito ako bigla?
Dance practice room.
Fine.
Where do we find it?
Nasa taas, nasa taas, nasa taas.
Yun oh, yung may nag-glow.
Naka-highlight.
Oh, naka-highlight siya.
Love, glam, and glow.
I-open nyo daw yung gate.
Wait lang, dito na ba? Oh, sa taas pa. Ay, sa taas pa.
Taas pa. Ay, wala na ang taas. Dito.
Laman.
Sa kabila.
Hindi mo sa likod mo! Joke lang. He didn't even look back. He didn't even look back.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga.
Nasa taas pa, nasa taas.
Dyan siya, wait lang.
Uy, sorry. Putang ina, wala.
Umakit siya saglit. Umakit siya.
Umakyat siya.
Sino? Ako?
Sige, akyat ka, demo.
Let's go.
Okay lang to pag walang magpapahabol, mas enjoy.
Ladies first.
Kami lahat yung mahahabol. Yun siya, oh.
Tama yan.
Dali. Mama, Deb, putang ina mo. Mama, oh Lord, thank you so much. You saved me. You saved me. You saved me.
Yung swerte mo.
Ang swerte ko. Shit, ako na yung, ano eh. Ako na yung hinabol sana.
Yung tong, di ba yun yung nasa guardhouse?
Nasa ano siya, labas?
Wala na.
Bakit may ano?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Washiwing. Bakit may music pa? May music para sa inyo?
May mga ano dyan.
Gago sa kabila.
Sa kabila yata tayo dapat
Oh my God. Char.
Hala. Karma.
Tangina. Oy.
Karma ka rin. Lahat kayo ka.
Thank you, Lord.
กว่าจะได้มาแทบแย่เลยนะเรา
It was really hard to get this key and not right.
He my ass.
Tanginan, dun na naman sa next.
Taas na naman.
Taas. Oh.
Let's go guys. Multitasking. Okay, sino pupunta sa taas?
Tayo, sabay tayo. O, sige. Itong isa. Ayaw niya pag walang elevator.
mabuksan.
Nakakatamad pag walang elevator.
Parang
Eh, dun sa pagdalan, di ba?
Di yata. Dun sa taas.
Ano ba yan?
Tawa.
Yawa. Ay.
Tinatawanan tayo.
Ano naman yata sa likod? Objective. Go back to unlock the dance practice room.
Ba't kayo agad makatakbo na ba? Parang hinahabol tayo ah. Sige, ganyanan tayo ah. Ganyanan ah.
Iwan na.
Sige.
Bakit nagka-candle tayo na wala namang silbi yung candle? Wag ka nga mag-candle
Oo
dem.
nga, no?
O, di ba?
Para for effects.
Di ba? For FX lang.
Pang style shot na.
Patay. Another one. Another one. Thank
Parang
you.
madaming namatay dito.
Mama ni Caroline. Uy, shit. Looks so creepy.
Another one. Thank you. O, sino mag...
Ang kunin.
O, sige.
Anong gagawin?
Ikaw na. Ay, hindi siya.
Kiss me.
It's scary. It's scary.
Ano, pinapamarathon lang tayo dito.
Wait lang, guys. Pang thumbnail ko, pang thumbnail. Diba? May thumbnail na ako.
Hinahabol sila. Hinahabol kayo.
Huh? Gago ka? Putang ina mo.
Ay, natatakot sa'yo.
Ah,
Parating na eh.
another one na naman. Putang ina, ay. Please, sit down.
ผม
I want to get the key.
ครับ
Sure, but you have to do this exam first. Exam tang ina. Okay. It's easy. Do it and get rewards. Putang ina, Mat. Yawa. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27. 27. Ah, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. 18. 7 times 7, 49. 4. Oh my God! Ano tong last? When 20 divide 2. Huh? Ah! Wrong, putang ina.
Okay. What the hell?
Mali, guys. Round 2. Ay, sorry. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 8, 8. 8, 24, 24, 8. Is it 48? Oh, shit. 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. Oh! Well done. Here's your reward. Let's go! Oh, shit. That is a big ass key. Oh, loading and waiting for others. Tagal yun naman, guys. Easy lang naman.
Wait lang, kamali ako.
Yawa.
Dapat ako nagkakamali ng panel.
Hintayin lahat.
Oh, hintayin lahat.
Kanina pa
Wait
ako.
lang.
Putang ina, kanina pa si Trev. Ako yung sec. Easy lang pala, guys. Ay,
Akala mo naghihintay lang.
Okay. Alam ko to.
alam ko to.
Okay.
Uy, wag niyong i-pressure.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Kailangan ko magbilang.
Wag niyong i-pressure, ha. Sino ba yung matagal, uy? Sino ba yung matagal, uy? Ang tagal niyo naman. Guys, yung pinaka-last daw, A daw.
Wait lang.
A daw yung answer sa pinaka-last.
Yung 15 divided by 5.
Oh, yung may, ano yun, yung parenthesis.
9 lang sagot ko.
Hindi, A daw. A daw palagi. Ayun.
Ano ba to?
Sino yung pinaka-last? Ang tagal.
Buko na si Juan.
Sorry. Sorry.
Huwag niyo ako kausapin.
Hi, Demo. Demo. Demo, ba't ka Alo,
Piam! ผมได้กุญ
I've
แจ
got
มา
the
แล้วนะ
key.
เปิดดีกว่า
How do I open the door?
พี่ยาม เฮ้ย
Oh, bobo siya.
ไม่นะ
Tayo pa yung hindi namatay.
ฉันจะรีบออกไปจากที่นี่แล้วสิ
Bakit ka kasi nagpaiwan sa eskwelahan, tanga?
I have 140.
Bago na naman.
รอดแล้วใช่ไหม วะ
I survive, right? I survive. I will survive. May isa na naman.
ไฟดับอีก
No reaction. Gago! Nandito! Oh my goodness!
Kumakain ako eh.
Hindi yan makakakita. Putangin na.
Gusto siya dyan.
Sige, go!
Siya. Siya.
Turn on.
Safe pa to dito? Bakit?
Bawal.
Yung mga valve.
Di natin yan. Wow. Cool.
Wala na siya.
Nandyan siya.
Ano lang. Masabi nila pag andyan siya.
Tangina dead end.
Bro, tapos
Hello.
andun siya.
Feel ko nandito siya. Char.
Hindi, hindi na lang. Huwag mong gagawin yung stamina mo, magsisisi ka.
Hindi naman. Gago! Putang ina sa likod! Demo! Putang ina mo! Yawa!
Namatay siya.
Putang ina mo. Saan?
Nung nakita ko siya, narahimik na ako. Tapos makbog na ako.
Gago!
Sabi ko nasa likod siya.
Nandun siya. Ay, 5 na. Isa na lang.
Hinahabol ako ulit lang.
Hindi, namatay si Trev, oh. Gago. Shh.
Hi.
Nice. Wow. Ang tanga eh. Ano to? Magtsunami na ba? Huh? Get a ladder.
Ito lang eh.
Dito. Dito. Ay. Nasaan yung ladder? Ay. Go up. Let's go. Easy. Easy game. Char.
ถึง
Cutscene.
บ้านแล้ว นึกว่าจะไม่ได้กลับซะแล้ว กลับมาแล้วนะแม่
อ้าวลูก กลับมาแล้วเหรอ ทำไมลูกมอมแมมจัง ไปทำอะไรมา
ไม่มีอะไรหรอกครับ แค่ฝนตกจนตัวมองแมมอะนะ
จ้า ขึ้นไปอาบน้ำแล้วลงมากินข้าวนะ
ครับแม่
Kung ako niyan, sasabihin ko may aswang sa labas, madami. Daming aswang. It's all over. It's all over the school. The school is haunted. Even the sewers are haunted.
มา
Everything.
ลูกมากินข้าว
Everywhere. Probably even our home. It's haunted. It's haunted. It's
ผมนอนแล้ว
haunted.
นะครับ ฝันดีนะครับแม่
It's haunted.
ฝันดีนะลูก
Did we eat? Oh shit. Don't tell me. Bakit may welcome yung ano niya? Yung kwarto niya. Is he welcoming something? Oh, diba? Diba? Haunted. Even our house is haunted. Hi, official kitty.
คลื่นดังเพลงสวรรค์